Come and create these Halloween nails with me. So we're going to start by doing a full soak off, which means reducing the length, reducing the bulk, and then popping them in some acetone. Get them as thin as possible, it'll make your soak off so much easier. Then I go in and do all of my usual cuticle work, so I'm making sure that nail plate's nice and clean and fresh and ready for a new set. I'm also making sure I etch anything that I'm using in this video that I can, I will link below. Then I go in with the by Ashley tips. These are my new favourite tips, and I'm creating a stiletto shape. Now I will do a separate tutorial on this because I saw somebody do it first and I want to credit them, and because it worked out beautifully. I'm so happy with the shape. Then I do all of my primer and my dehydrator and everything, and then I go in with my 2 bead application on this one. I'm just trying to make sure I'm applying that as smoothly as possible, just so the filing is minimal at the end. Now, in my brilliance, I don't seem to have recorded the actual blood drips. However, there is a tutorial on how I've done other blood drips lower down on my page. And if you want me to show you how I did these ones in the video, then I can absolutely do a separate video on that. That is no problem at all. The gel that I did use is a flash gel called Moulin Rouge from Cali Gel. Again, if I can link it, if it is available, I'll pop it below. But that's them fresh off the file, and they were beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you do have any other questions, let me know in the comments.